are going to look at the adverb page in your yellow Common Core booklet. This is on page 8. And the first thing we obviously need to do is read the directions. So it says, read each sentence. Draw a circle around the adverb. Draw a line under the verb that the adverb describes. So remember, a verb is an action word. It's something that we do. And the adverb will describe that action. So it's going to tell us how we are doing it, when we are doing something, or where we are doing something. So let's read sentence 1 together. Go ahead and track and read. Our class will go on a field trip tomorrow. So in sentence 1, our class will go on a field trip tomorrow. What are they doing? We're going to underline the verb. They are going. We will go. And when will they go? They will go. Circle it. And did you circle tomorrow? Good job. Number 2. Our teacher quickly reminds us to bring our permission slips. What is the action? What is the teacher doing? Underline that word. Our teacher quickly reminds us. What is she doing? She is reminding, or he is reminding you. And how, when, or where are they reminding you? How does that teacher remind you? They remind you, or he or she reminds you quickly. Okay. Number 3, we will visit the museum nearby. We will visit the museum nearby. Underline the verb. What is the action? Okay. You underlined visit. And how are you visiting? When are you visiting? Or where are you visiting? This one gives you the location. Circle that. We're going to the museum, but where is that museum? The museum is nearby. I'm going to read through 4, 5, and 6. You do them and pause the video so that you can come back and check your answers with me. Number 4, have you gone to a museum before? You do it. Number 5, you see many interesting displays there. So underline the verb, circle the adverb. And number 6, my sister sadly told me she wishes she could come. Okay, mark your answers. Okay, number 4, have you gone to a museum before? Our verb is gone. When have we gone? We've gone before. You see many interesting displays there. What's our verb? You underlined the word see. That's what we do. And where do we see them? You circled the word there. Number 6, my sister sadly told me she wishes she could come. What did the sister do? The action, the verb, is told. And how, when, or where did she tell? So this is where we're getting at. How, when, or where did she tell? How, when, or where did she tell them? She told them sadly. So that adverb can come before the verb. It's not always after the verb. So you see in number 2 and in number 6, the adverb is in front of the verb. Now for part B, those directions are right above, or right below where we've been working. Write the adverbs you circled above in the first column, and then tell whether each adverb describes how, when, or where. So the example would be go. And does go tell us how, or excuse me, I have to change that. The adverb is tomorrow. And does tomorrow tell us how, when, or where? Tomorrow is an adverb that tells us when. Okay. Number 2, you'd write down the word quickly. And does quickly tell us how, when, or where. So they quickly the teacher quickly reminds them, quickly tells how. Okay. And you can go on. Nearby, what does that tell you? How, when, or where? Before, there, and sadly. Okay, so nearby tells us, did you pause the video and try this on your own? Nearby tells us where. Before. In number 4 it says they've gone before. Before tells us when. Number 5, our adverb is there. There tells me where it is. And if the sister sadly told me, sadly describes how the sister told. Thank you for listening. Let us know if you have any questions.